And Education Minister Akoya rebranding amane tuachi. Akoya rebranding am si boss. Social na montre so me come agent trend. After say STEM school no, we call launching for as BSTEM school. Ghana for so montiase. O montiase education minister dey wo ye no. Ye ntiase. Monfa policy no dem nya say mo ye rebranding no. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need mo. Obe like if you don't know that my subscribe button so be click notification con no latest update. Na be try wa adwen dia mama. Ewo comments e shemesi aso baso no wa hwe for so anya bi ahwe etokwan this guy one of the fine gentlemen a wonya no asem boni bia enka eya Haruna Idris. In fact keep himself clean and decent onya omo do mfrafra dirty politics debe ono no keep himself clean na ono ana oye current education minister. It's about 3 days ago education minister Haruna Idris oye 2 occasions baako okopie mu ewo Tamale eho no launch year 2025 Teacher Award Prize no okopa ahontuma e wo hodoma.
All will succeed without education. Central to the success of education is the teacher. Pivotal to the success of the provision of any quality education. Our theme for this year is elevating the status of teachers for quality education. The resources, the training, and the professional recognition we deserve. As part of President Mahama's recent agenda, we've made it clear that education remains a central pillar of our national development. A friend of mine was sharing this with me. Even if you want to fight galamsey successfully, you need an experienced miner. You need a teacher to teach that miner. If you have to have a construction of a modern school block, you need an engineer and an architect. That engineer and architect must be an educated person. You will need a teacher. If you want a medical doctor or a nurse to save a life, that medical doctor and that nurse needs a teacher. That is why I say we are central to the success of our educational provision. We are working to improve teacher welfare, and I'm happy to know that I've requested that GISO works in tandem with the teacher union for us to review how we can invest in a housing scheme. So the bankers who are here, who are studying some housing concept, come back to us and to invite corporate Ghana to take particular interest in sponsoring and supporting this initiative.
I think Biano is depending on private corporate companies to sponsor program. And maybe because say a year award new not near my say the teachers in Billy Hall. You can say see bra yenyanima demand. And today be as NTC be here say or sponsors. Now, Omudia program say I feel beduna yamana ma yebende because cars will digital. Now say sponsors are family kana ma. Now you call ceremony. Now present at your. Now you now surprise. Now yamama no de ma award musa be haji. Musa me ma appeal say when you can dedicated source of funding for the program in the minister so I just say na only private sponsors me no makabum I yes partnership so they are the fears I have will not be that
na urban and obetwa mu e wo sunwan na sunwan honom no na obeka ya under the previous government say Addo as education minister I dey be friend STEM school science technology engineering and what mathematics or the bayana and training kwana ekoje eno kwa ni schools in fact obaga hama ni schools a efe STEM schools efe pay.
Can we all please be outstanding for the national anthem, please?
He's going for it.
Okay.
So the one is really 1 dB, you can run it. And the one is really 2 dB, you take this. So, good one. So now, those of you who couldn't find a mask, I am very, very disappointed in you. Yes, very, very disappointed. So, fake AI. Okay, so now, you can go and sit down. Our mass now is 3.65 grams. So, I'll bring you the mass balance for you to weigh your mass. Our mass is 3.65 grams. So, where's the issue? The mass balance is not
That's Bunny. Direct Bunny. Yeah, that's it.
I will be a bomb, so you will be a cry. What I say, easily going on more. Just say, you will be across the country, many places across the country. I do and sano. I know a bomb and crano. I start a dialysis machine. Any other thing I say, a nice. I got a phone so I do it. A fire, a boy or mine. Now, I do every so I'm a how to do so about no copy more sunyano. A honum and a STEM school. No, just say, what call Brandon. Akoye ne BSTEM school. Instead of STEM school, no, what the B akoye basic science, technology, engineering, and what mathematics. Na eno, ana Ghana force ehene ha. How do you do so? Ehene ha. Ese NDC the BNP for the policy bar mobile bemwa. No ma sa be rebrand na rename na abe ne foforo ye ntiase. Mo mfa mo de mra na Ghana for yen na munya rebranding no.
Education Minister, yanto abasi ye besi sendin edina ye STEM. Enye BSTEM o se basic STEM o se BSTEM enye no ne ye hwehwe. Hwe adwuma finance minister abohwe dollar no ho be bia dollar na bedu. Dollar na ye stable. 10 Ghana cedis ne move nko nanim. Yes. Sam George enso badwuma ma be bona baso. Yes. Mo hu de one ye yifo ne ye DSTV fo ne ye no, one telecoms ne ye no. O matete ne o maso wo bibia ye kama no. Wo de oba ye din na obesesa. MSC se din keke wu, enye din keke ne yepe. Masa, mo de support man ma me ni ewu. Masa sisi amaso hia ba wo, ma ba me ye ndisi ni bikuta membership card me sremo, mo ma pipi fo ne ye dodo. Mo nja din asesa no. Ade na ye STEM, mo nya ne STEM na masa, obi the good policy ba, mo follow mo continue na ade ne nya kama. Na mo nya din asesa no, ya bremo. E de eni, mo ma mo nya ye dodo.
Hey, so the NDC for them, they've made their mind say, Omono, Omaba Bem, paid my papa be a young Magana for say, to say, and Yama to the MPP are buying ya to Dino, and the Zomba says, Dino. The National, what we call name changing party or National Name Changing Congress is Omudino. For them, they are not willing to do anything new. All they are interested in to come and change what the previous government have done. I thought the former government, under Akufo commissioned or brought about STEM education. So, well, from all these, Minister of Education is commissioned BSTEM education. Was it BSTEM education? B what? BSTEM education. But what is the full meaning of STEM in the first place? And then what will be the full meaning of the BSTEM education? I just say, and this one page, my own problem born. You won't find something good to do for the people of Ghana. Here just changing names and all that. Hey, Bob Brown, I'm on Breno. To see how you have less than 4 years. Mo 3 years, no, we're friends, 1 year, no, echo ended, no. I'm on Pebrabim Bonam, Cotton says, these are, say, B STEM education, B STEM, B STEM.
Yeah,
gradually, my who said message now me preaching no gradual process. Kakra. Because I think last time I saw a video whereby will be a stitching me video. Then if I could redeem attempt say minjai or mona or mwankasan come wasem minjai in fasem. Omo no mwankasan come wasem me wine as me come wasem and I me focus will be a me war and I there and I saw something, you see, me who said on mwankasan in Akufo no they were fighting him. Omnam kasa Akufo any on one kasa say masa jankwasa sem na wo ka no na guy ne ya follow na che nsema oka nyina ya authentic nsema oka nyina no ye how kese pa na guy ne ka enti wo how ne sen. And I read most of their comments and I was very happy. So wow, yeah what Isaiah wo mabunu ni bi mu wo ha de omunim say no kure na guy ka yewe school yi ewo yendi yendi petamu efu say school ni ba omo launch school we omunya infrastructure papa bi antena mu dawo school bi MTN for mo ye DB say MTN say changing lives there then na mo ko pam entade ko hihya sem krai dan bi omo team esu ade nsem we nyina ye mpese e beka say school ya make na say o yendi. But Oman Kasan Akufo no ebi your bloggers, ebi more YouTube channel, ebi more Facebook channel, they will never talk about this. Ebi more TikTok account, they will never use that platform to preach about this or talk about this. What I say, we are not here to chase clouds. We are here to make sure say ebi more mo a chicha mo pe here says abane ti omonka and as a Ghana for ti omonka no mo kokoyo mo adom and kokoyo mo mo ano e so mo ti omonka. School bi si wa ankura esu ade ewom we animonyam ben ewom. According to Haruna Idrusu, Minister of Education, according to him, or see there are 5,000 schools under trees, according to Haruna Idrusu. Just 2 days ago, and all this statement in the Bible saying 5,000 schools under trees. Now imagine say 5,000 schools under trees, sir. Ain't fana all can wasem. Do na in the northern sector, and on one kasa the sign the Bible and Timber say. On one kasa ti, or see a bunny school mu, a bunny basic school ni other way na. Schools are born modern northern region. It mean fun won't compare the southern part. Or cause the southern part, it means Kumasi, Bonus, and the what as a fresh outside the southern part. Or see, south comparison no northern region low. But me bisa how na do the question be why ba musa 21 good years ni. Ono ankasa na mpeso yesumpo omunya nsumpo no manom omo no musofin nti onim sa no ma we nyina na tumi na onya ya no wo aban mu no oyusu oyeden then oye and I'm say you northerners you must start to question your leaders. Always I say question them. You can't say question them, you can't say disrespect them. There's the difference between question them and disrespect. Just question them say I didn't think I won't tell them. Ya to Obama mo baba mu okọ Kumasi okọ Abono okọ Ankran omusuku infrastructures kama na didn't think I de ya to Obama mo say monko press ani monyam ni bi maye na ye de yentimi nya sa ani monyam ni bi adentia. So that's the questions you have to ask your people. Anasa me say de bia mo bekachi because tax na ye twia no ebia na mu twia. So this is the truth. Dem bien no person men can tell. We have seen a propaganda when he obitimi stitch video no di what time that be or no or pay views keke or person keke that be. Well, I have a message. That's the reason why I'm here. I just have a message. What talking on social media, you know my attention that. But I'll keep on doing what I think it is good. What I say. God bless Ghana. Ti yendi foreigner omo echiro omo no. Yendi foreigner omo echiro omo a said we school bia nipa da sanitim. God bless Ghana. Ghanaians, we was set your copper our former president Nana Akufo Addo yekopa na chaw ezi na yekokobu nkotoje kopa papa na chaw ameka na okure bi nsemo 2021 ana Akufo Addo hu say play na odi tutu kwan nimpo aye private government we na omode ye odi tu kwan kwa manonini amanfo kru su president fokuku hia di nkomo no sabi fourth wom ebetimi etwa ne nkwaso ana ebetimi apira no ana ebetimi ade accident bi aiden aba anytime ana oye na adwen se enka parliament gintum na nkomonto new jet enfama government enfama aban no tie omonto ma no Akufo Addo me say Akufo Addo is the greatest prophet in Ghana. Akufo Addo, he is the greatest prophet in Ghana because ohun Ghana dachi say Ghana ye dachi ewo ye ade ye di tu kwan ne enye ohun sa dachi no say enye dabi e di Ghana nya but it sounds say na opposition ebimu nipa no akwase na Akufo Addo ye ne ho ya amanfo dodo na ahi nti asem na all no instead of saying ka parliament be jatum menyankofo bi amamu soliti ase Akufo Addo dware play mu Akufo Addo kofa player no dware mu na oni play mu na nsembe bre na omo kato nipa dodo na tim e wo Ghana ha nti Akufo Addo hu be ye hi nti ideas o de bae no parliament antiase na no kure wom ni se nko tiase koto private jet npo de babema government abina enka Akufo Addo antina muda o enko antina muda because enko mo de 3 years na ebe ma sa jet na ba ebe arrival and say sa dan na mkokoto na ko mo de be mamu ebe take mo 3 years ansana ko on sa be kasa private jet no na so Ghana for ni twhwe ni mu opposition for dem ho achim na Akufo Addo odiga o man ni sika odu o man ni sika me say Akufo Addo sa time no prophet bia ni ho na me bia na ni man ni hu say ne papa yi kan sabi nyansasem ya da ebebo o man Akufo Addo saw the future. He saw the future, but people never believe him. What I say, ni pasori tiano because na yempe Akufo Addo asem. Hey, me nua for politics kala ne ton chen o. So political aspects na say you ton chen. You have to be fair. That like be kasa say we Ghana ni na fa we end this new people ne to. Ghanaians, we haven't been fair to Akufo Addo. Your time papa ne too much. Boni be na waye. What I say, this idea ne buy no. Senka Ghana 40 ase so sa idea ni ma. You see kasana nyambra sem yan kan si. So you just imagine say saja to we sabi ede ye minister si too far we must sabi fofian to ata e ko jamugu baby. Imagine if the president of the land etimubia imagine oyenye kese be ma man we mu. Adentina ya mama yen John man we hu na munjai mi wo party we say Mahama abasu opa Mahama so so say okoka ade papa bi di aba you get some people who stand against him. You see these things are not helping the country. Enti ya munjam political colors and fan to baby and Ghanaians we are not fair to this man Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo is the greatest prophet in Ghana. Ohudachi no but Ghana for time nti Ghana for anjina semantum because they were wearing political lens. So oman jina ntum na omo yiyo na akrakra edi na tem ena na do di esika ena na do di esika na do di esika obisi odwale play mu wan na sabi me kra metie sabi Jimmy for ben ba ko hani place okodwale mu keke ade wa Jimmy it was never true. But they painted this man so black to the stand. People started hate. They said, I mean, can you clean TikTok one? Mahama thing. They said, oh, you painting the black. And my nipper be tiny too much. Why? Tell your mind won't say in your mind about what I say. Be Ghanaian. Put your political lens away and be Ghanaian. Be proper Ghanaian. What I say? God bless Ghana.
What I say? When someone Ghana for ni be, can the education minister how na idrusu. Others are rebranding and relaunching. Ewo sunyai Ghana for so monti ase. On chire mu ye on fa ne de mra. Do nya so bi de ho no na all to din na all silence on the abana. obetuma kyerɛ wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.